Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is exploring the frontiers of robotics from automation to artificial intelligence. Introduction. In the realm of technological advancement, robotics stands as a testament to human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of innovation. From the mechanical automata of ancient civilizations to the sophisticated all-driven robots of today, the field of robotics has undergone a remarkable evolution. This article delves into the multifaceted world of robotics, highlighting its history, current state, and the exciting possibilities it holds for the future. Number 1. Historical evolution of robotics. The roots of robotics trace back to ancient civilizations where mechanical devices were created to perform simple tasks. The renowned ancient Greek engineer Hero of Alexandria crafted intricate automatons, while the medieval Islamic world saw the development of sophisticated automatic devices. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point with the advent of mechanical looms and steam powered machines, laying the foundation for modern automation. Number 2. Robotics in the modern age. The mid 20th century witnessed a significant leap in robotics with the creation of the first programmable robot, Unimate, in 1961, developed by George Devil of Joseph Engelberger. Unimate marked the beginning of industrial robotics, revolutionizing manufacturing processes. Subsequent decades saw the rise of robotics arms, mobile robots, and the introduction of sensors and computer vision, enabling robots to interact with their environments. Number 3. The advent of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) has been instrumental in elevating robotics to new heights. Machine learning algorithms and neural networks have empowered robots with the ability to learn from data, adapt to changing scenarios, and perform complex tasks with a high degree of accuracy. This synergy between robotics and AI has given rise to autonomous vehicles, drones, and humanoid robots capable for natural language processing and emotional recognition. Number 4. Applications across industries. The impact of robotics spans across diverse industries. In manufacturing, robots optimize production lines, ensuring precision and efficiency. Healthcare witnesses the use of robotic surgical systems for minimally invasive procedures, enhancing patient outcomes. Agriculture benefits from automated harvesting and monitoring, while logistics relies on robots for warehousing and delivery. Space exploration, disaster response, and entertainment are also domains where robotics shines. Number 5. Ethical and societal considerations. As robotics becomes more integrated into our lives, ethical concerns emerge. Issues related to job displacement, data privacy, and robot human interaction demand thoughtful consideration. Striking a balance between technological advancement and societal well being is essential. Fostering discussion around regulations, guidelines, and responsible innovation. Number 6. Future horizons. The future of robotics holds promise beyond imagination. Swarm robotics, where groups of robots collaborate like social insects, could revolutionize search and rescue missions. Soft robotics, inspired by natural organisms, aims to create robots that can navigate complex environments with dexterity. Quantum computing might unlock new realms of computational power, accelerating AI and robotics research. Robotics offers a wide range of advantages across various fields and industries, revolutionizing the way tasks are performed, business operate, and life are impacted. Here are some key advantages of robotics: efficiency and precision. Robots are capable of performing repetitive tasks with high accuracy and precision, eliminating human errors. This consistency leads to improved quality and reduced waste in manufacturing and production processes. Increased productivity. Robots can work tirelessly 24 by 7 without the need of breaks or rest. This continuous operation boosts productivity and output in industries such as manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics. Enhanced safety. Dangerous and hazardous tasks can be delegated to robots, thus reducing the risk of human injuries or exposure to harmful environments. This is particularly beneficial in industries like mining, construction, and nuclear power. Cost savings. While the initial investment in robotics might be significant, over time it can lead to substantial cost saving. Automation reduces labor costs, minimizes waste, and optimizes resource utilization. Speed and throughput. Robots can complete tasks much faster than humans, leading to shorter production cycles, quicker response times, and faster delivery of goods and services. Consistency in quality. Robots are programmed to perform tasks with a high degree of consistency, ensuring that products and services maintain a uniform quality standard. Flexible adaptability. Many modern robots are designed to be easily programmed, reprogrammed, or reconfigured for different tasks. This adaptability makes them well suited for industries where product variations or changes in processes are common. Data collection and analysis. Robots equipped with sensors and cameras can gather data about their surroundings and processes. This data can be analyzed to optimize operations, predict maintenance needs, and make informed decisions. Exploration and research. Robots can venture into environments that are inaccessible or hazardous to humans. This capability is crucial for space exploration, deep sea research, and disaster response. Precision medicine and surgery. In the field of healthcare, surgical robots can perform intricate procedures with precision, minimizing invasiveness and speeding up patient recovery. Robots can also assist in drug development and personalized medicine. Education and skill development. Robotics provides a platform for students and professionals to learn about technology, engineering, and programming. It cultivates skills in STEM fields and prepares individuals for careers in rapidly evolving industries. Customer service and interaction. Robots equipped with AI can provide customer support, answer queries, and assist with tasks, enhancing customer service experiences and freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Environmental impact. Robotics can contribute to sustainability efforts by optimizing energy consumption, reducing waste, and enabling more efficient resource management. Innovation and creativity. The integration of robotics encourages innovation as engineers and researchers explore novel ways to utilize and combine technologies to solve complex challenges. Global competitiveness. Organizations that adopt robotics gain a competitive edge by improving their operations, creating cutting edge products, and staying ahead in technological advancements. In essence, the advantages of robotics extend far beyond mere automation. They drive progress, enhance safety, improve quality of life, and redefine the way industries operate and evolve. Thanks for watching the video.